Have you noticed how much of a difference it makes if you feel confident about yourself and about the thing you would like to or want to or have to do? When you're confident, you feel better, you think better, and what you have to or want to do feels easier, lighter. So how do you make the jump from not feeling confident to feeling confident? There are three key elements. One, notice your discomfort. You may have the tendency to shut it down, to run away, to give up. Just notice it. Where do you feel the sensation in your body? And stay with it for a moment. Two, notice the thoughts that are running in your mind. What are you telling yourself about yourself and about what you set out to do? There may be thoughts like, I can't do this, it's never going to work out. Just notice them, and you can even write them down. 3, check out if those thoughts are actually true. You can always do right then and there a quick checking in. Let's say you've noticed a thought, it's never going to work. Can you really know that that's true? Do you really know what's going to happen? And if you want to go deeper, use the tool, the Work of Byron Katie, where you take a thought and then you ask for questions. You explore if the thought is really true, how it makes you feel, and who you would be without the thought. And then you do what I call mental yoga, where you flip the thought around to its opposites and find genuine examples how the exact opposite of the thought is also true. I hope this supports you in your journey. Take good care of your beautiful self,